People always ask, how do I do my lips? So here is a brief practical on how I prep my lips, right? Or how I use my lipstick. This is my lighter shade. What I'll use on top, this is classic Millbrook color. It's called Millbrook. I don't know if you can see it, but it's Millbrook, right? This classic, yeah. And this is another matte lips. I don't really know the, but it's a nude, like a peach nude pink color like that. I love using it because it fits me a lot. So let's go. First of all, then the third one, sorry, I forgot to tell you. You see my eye pencil. You see this thing here? People just think it's just your pencil sharpener. But you see this stuff here? You will know how important this is as we keep going. All right. So the first thing I do is I take this, I line my lip. You see it? Get the exact shape of your lips. Very important. Go down. Yeah. Easy to line your lips. Okay. So I said here. And I smack a bit. And I take this, right? And I go down. Now I keep smacking. It's a matte lipstick, okay? So I keep smacking till it gets dry. Alright. Then here comes this small but mighty tool. Now, if I was going to do it on somebody else, I might use my lip brush. Yeah, you have a brush that you use for your lips to smoothen your lips. But for those of us that don't have it, what you do, you see this point here that is smooth. Just come. Easy to easy. Blend. Can you see the blending? Did you notice anything? Yankee. Yeah. That's what it does. Easy blend. So you see it. Now you're not having the sharp contrast between the two lip colors. So each is complementing each color. Can you see it? As simple as that. That's how I do it. I believe somebody must have learned something. So if you did, or if this video was helpful, just let me know on the comment section. Bye for now.